Wet or damp shoes can be uncomfortable and even unhealthy if left untreated. A smart shoe dryer offers a quick, efficient, and safe way to dry your footwear, keeping them fresh and extending their lifespan. With features like temperature control, timers, and energy efficiency, these devices make shoe care effortless. Here are the best 5 smart shoe dryers that combine convenience, safety, and performance. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Sothing Zero One Smart Shoe Dryer. There is something surprisingly fascinating about a gadget that takes on one of life's small but annoying problems and solves it with such clever design. The Sothing Zero One Smart Shoe Dryer immediately caught my attention because it promises more than just drying your shoes. It offers a complete system for sterilization, deodorization, and long-lasting comfort. Imagine coming home after rain or a workout, and instead of leaving damp shoes to air dry awkwardly, you slip them into a compact device that handles everything with precision. The 360-degree drying feature ensures that heat reaches every corner of the shoe, not just the surface, which means no lingering dampness or hidden moisture that could cause odor or bacteria. The constant temperature heating is another detail that impressed me. Rather than blasting shoes with high heat that could warp materials or cause damage, this device uses PTC heating elements that maintain a steady warmth. That means delicate fabrics, leather, or sports shoes can all be dried safely without losing shape. At the same time, the high-temperature-resistant materials of the dryer give peace of mind, making it safe to use daily without worry of overheating. Adding to that is the ultraviolet sterilization function, which feels futuristic yet practical. By combining gentle heat with UV treatment, the device not only dries but also kills bacteria and neutralizes odor, making shoes fresher than they would ever be just left on their own. What makes it even more convenient is the smart timing function. Being able to set it to start or stop automatically saves time and energy, especially if you want to leave your shoes in overnight. It is also designed with portability in mind, making it easy to move around or store when not in use. For households with active family members, kids, or anyone who spends long hours outdoors, this can quickly become one of those underrated essentials you never knew you needed until you had it. The fact that it arrives ready to use, with a qualified plug connector and included adapter, means there are no complicated setups. It feels like a thoughtful appliance that prioritizes both safety and efficiency. To me, this is one of those smart home products that blends practicality with innovation, turning something as ordinary as drying shoes into an experience that feels modern, hygienic, and surprisingly satisfying. Pros: sterilization, constant heat, odor removal, easy setup. Cons: price, size. Number 4. Haoyunma 220 volts Smart Shoe Dryer. There is something instantly appealing about a device that combines portability, practicality, and smart engineering. And the Haoyunma 220 volt Smart Shoe Dryer does exactly that. At first glance, it looks like a sleek, foldable gadget that you could easily slip into a travel bag or tuck away at home. But once you learn what it can do, it feels like a real game changer for anyone who hates the feeling of damp or smelly shoes. The lightweight design makes it convenient to carry around, while the foldable thinner body ensures it does not eat up precious storage space. This makes it especially handy for small apartments, busy households, or even travelers who want to keep their footwear dry and fresh on the go. The retractable brackets are a clever addition, allowing it to handle everything from sneakers to tall boots. That flexibility means this is not just for everyday shoes, but also for bulkier footwear that usually takes forever to dry. Its 360-degree circulation system, powered by 150 watts of fast heating, ensures shoes are dried completely from the inside out, which is so important for preventing moisture buildup. Add to that the constant 48 degrees Celsius temperature, and you get a device that dries effectively while staying gentle on materials, so there is no risk of cracking, shrinking, or warping. Safety has clearly been given attention to. Made with flame-resistant and high-temperature-resistant materials, the Haoyunma dryer feels dependable and trustworthy for daily use. The 4-gear timer is another feature that stands out. With up to 120 minutes of drying time, it gives you full control to adjust depending on whether you are drying thin slippers, thick boots, or even gloves and socks. The fact that it is not limited to just shoes, but also works for multiple items, makes it even more versatile and appealing. One of the most intriguing innovations is the rose salt box design. This unique touch goes beyond simple drying by actively helping with dehumidification and odor removal, leaving footwear not just dry, but fresh. It is a thoughtful feature that elevates the dryer into something more than just a heater, making it a real hygiene solution. Pros: portability, fast drying, odor removal, versatility. Cons: noise, price. Number 3. Xmsj Folding Smart Shoe Dryer. There is something oddly satisfying about watching damp, soggy shoes transform into warm, dry comfort in just a short span of time. And this folding smart shoe dryer makes the whole process almost magical. The way it combines heat circulation with UV technology means that not only does it dry out moisture, but it also eliminates stubborn odors that tend to linger after a rainy day or an intense workout. It is fascinating how quickly shoes that feel ruined by rain or sweat can be brought back to life, leaving them soft, dry, and fresh, as if they had just been taken out of the box. The constant temperature airflow is steady and reliable, and the moment you place your shoes on it, you can sense the efficiency in action. What makes it stand out is its incredible versatility. It is not just about shoes. It handles boots, sneakers, children's shoes, and even accessories like gloves, socks, hats, and helmets. That means one device can look after nearly all your essential gear, keeping everything fresh, hygienic, and ready for use. For active people, parents, or anyone constantly on the move, this multifunctional edge makes the dryer more like a household companion than just a gadget. Another impressive aspect is the intelligent timer. You can set the drying duration depending on the material and thickness of the footwear, which helps save power while protecting delicate items. This adds a thoughtful layer of control, ensuring your items never overheat. The heating level, around 48 degrees Celsius, is warm enough to dry effectively, but gentle enough not to damage shoe fabric or leather. This detail shows how well designed the system is, giving both performance and safety. Then there is the folding design, which instantly grabs attention. Compact and portable, it easily fits in a backpack or a travel bag, making it a brilliant travel partner. Whether you are on a hiking trip, camping in the rain, or just need quick shoe care at home, this foldable dryer feels like it belongs everywhere. It is light, space-saving, and always ready to bring wet shoes back to life. The fact that it also extends the life of your footwear by maintaining them properly is an extra reward. Instead of discarding shoes too soon, you get more wear and value out of them. Pros: portability, quick drying, versatility, odor removal. Cons: noise level, limited capacity. Number 2. Palmunio PM10 Smart Shoe Dryer. There is something so satisfying about slipping your feet into perfectly dry, warm shoes, and this smart shoe dryer brings that feeling to life with surprising ease. Despite its compact size, it has been designed to quickly dry out dampness while removing odors and providing sterilization, giving your shoes not just comfort but also hygiene. The warm air circulation is steady and gentle, spreading evenly through every corner of your footwear. Within minutes, the clammy feeling of moisture is replaced by a cozy warmth that feels fresh and inviting. Knowing that bacteria and odor are being handled at the same time adds a sense of reassurance, especially for those who wear shoes for long hours. What makes this device even more fascinating is its simple yet clever timer function. With 6 different settings, you can choose how long the dryer should run, depending on how wet your shoes are. This automatic shutoff not only saves power, but also prevents overheating, ensuring the materials of your shoes stay safe and intact. The heating range of 40 to 50 degrees Celsius hits the perfect balance, warm enough to remove moisture quickly, yet gentle enough to protect delicate fabrics or leather. It feels like the designers really thought about daily use and how to make it convenient without overcomplicating things. The build itself is lightweight and portable, making it easy to move around or pack away when not in use. At just under half a kilogram, it feels effortless to carry. Whether used at home in a tight living space or taken along on a trip, its compact design ensures it never feels like a burden. The ABS material gives it a durable feel while still keeping the weight low. This makes it not just a useful household gadget, but also a smart travel companion, especially for people who hike, camp, or often get caught in rainy weather. Another highlight is how quietly it operates. Many dryers can be annoyingly loud, but this one is designed with mute functionality, so it runs discreetly in the background. You can set it up in the evening and relax without constant humming, interrupting your peace. Combined with its ability to extend the life of shoes by preventing dampness and odor buildup, it feels like a device that offers both comfort and long-term value. Shoes remain fresh, well cared for, and more durable, which is always a welcome benefit. Pros: portability, quiet operation, sterilization, energy saving. Cons: limited power. Number 1, and the winner is Fkoz Smart Shoe Dryer. There is something incredibly satisfying about the idea of slipping into shoes that are not only perfectly dry, but also free from odor and bacteria, and this smart shoe dryer makes that experience feel effortless. With the powerful 120-watt design, it delivers quick and efficient results, using a steady stream of constant temperature air to ensure your footwear dries evenly without any damage. The moment you place wet shoes on it, you can feel the warm circulation working its way through every layer, transforming soggy, uncomfortable footwear into something warm, light, and ready to wear again. What stands out is its versatility. This device is not limited to just shoes. It can handle boots, socks, gloves, and other essentials, making it a practical household tool that replaces the need for multiple gadgets. For families, athletes, or anyone who often deals with damp footwear, having one reliable unit for all drying needs feels both convenient and smart. The addition of UV sterilization and deodorization takes it beyond ordinary drying, giving shoes a level of cleanliness that feels almost new. Instead of just masking smells, it actively removes them while reducing bacterial buildup, which makes the whole experience healthier and more refreshing. The timed operation is another thoughtful detail. With a maximum duration of 120 minutes, you can select the right amount of drying time, depending on the material and level of dampness. It is a set-and-forget kind of convenience that ensures you never have to worry about wasting power or overheating your footwear. The control buttons are simple and intuitive, making it easy to choose modes or adjust the timer without confusion. Safety has clearly been a priority in its design. The flame retardant shell and overheating protection provide peace of mind, letting the dryer run reliably without constant supervision. This is especially useful for busy households, where efficiency and safety need to go hand in hand. At just 0.8 kilograms, it is lightweight enough to move around the home, yet sturdy enough to feel dependable for daily use. Perhaps the most exciting part is the 4-mode system. Drying mode, sterilization mode, deodorization mode, and strong mode each serve a different need, giving you options to customize how your shoes are treated. This flexibility means you can gently dry delicate shoes or power through soaked boots with the same machine. The result is a versatile tool that feels more like an upgrade to your lifestyle than just another appliance. Pros: quick drying, sterilization, safety features, multi-modes. Cons: power use. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.